Local news for Monday the 27th of March. A subsidised desexing and microchipping campaign for cat owners begins in the Wairarapa today. Snip and Chip is a desexing and microchipping campaign giving cat owners the opportunity to purchase a voucher. The microchipping and desexing vouchers are just $9 or just a chip for $4 if your cat is already desexed. The campaign is supported by the majority of local veterinary practices and the Masterton and Carterton councils. Another honour for a local legend, Mavis Mullen was presented with the Distinguished Alumni Service Award for her work in agribusiness last week at Massey University. Mrs Mullen's a member of the New Zealand Order of Merit, won the rural category at last year's Woman of Influence Awards and will be inducted into the New Zealand Business Hall of Fame in July. Mrs Mullins has more than 20 years' experience in governance and in public and private enterprise. And in sport, it was a weekend of highs and frustration for Giant softball. The Prem 3 men winning their final after Wainui defaulted, and the Presidents did play and came away with an impressive 8-1 victory to remain undefeated all season. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.